Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my yesterday's experience. Yesterday I went to Rajgir, and in Rajgir I went to Ghoda Katoda Lake, and it was the first time I was visiting that place, and that place was really beautiful, and I was excited that I would share my feelings, my thoughts at new places in front of the camera. But what happened to me when I started speaking in English when people were around me? It is a completely different experience. Initially, speaking in front of the camera at from my home was difficult, but slowly I become comfortable. Then I thought that I could also speak in English at public places. And yesterday, when I tried to speak, I couldn't speak. I was thinking that I will make a video of 5 to 10 minutes, because whenever I will visit a new place, I would have some new experience, and I will share my experience and my thought and what I am right now feeling in front of the camera. But it doesn't happen like that. I was repeating the same word again and again, and even the when I started speaking, it was finished only in 2 minutes. I wanted to speak more, but I don't know my. I forgot all the words, all the expressions, and I don't know what happened to me at that time. You know, when you went at a new place, and when people are around you, and when you just click on record button and start recording, then some or other people will definitely ask you that, are you recording video, are you making reels, and such type of questions. And after hearing such type of questions, I start feeling nervous, and same thing happens with me. But then also I tried to make video, and somehow I gathered courage and speak in front of the camera. Yes, it is a video of only 2 minutes, but at least I showed up for 2 minutes. But you know what, speaking at public place is very important. Yes, I feel difficulty in speaking, but it's a very different experience, and I think every English learning student should explore such kind of things. Because you know what, whenever you become comfortable to one thing and you become habitual of doing the same thing, then it will be difficult for you to adapt to new situations. My English is, slowly I have improved. At least I can speak from my home in front of the camera. But what happened to me when I try to speak outside my home? Just because I was feeling hesitation. So we should try to speak in English at public places like railway station, roads, parks, or anywhere. When you went, even when you went for shopping, you can say one or two lines. You can express your ideas. In this way you can overcome your hesitation, your fear of speaking English. Okay, the most beautiful thing which I liked about Ghoda Katora Lake was that there was many beautiful ducks swimming in the lake, and I really enjoyed watching them. There was a shopkeeper who told us that if you want to click pictures of these ducks, you can purchase fodder and feed them. So I did it twice, and all the ducks, and I feed all the ducks. You know what, some ducks come so close to me, and just they were eating from my hand, and I enjoyed this. It was really a beautiful experience. Also, the place and the views was very good, and yesterday the weather was also pleasant, and there were the lake was surrounded with hills, and on the hills there are so many trees that it was looking so dense. and in the mid of the lake there was a statue, a big statue of Buddha, and it was overall it was looking very beautiful, and the ducks were also looking beautiful. And you know what, yesterday when I tried to express my feelings, I said that the road is very long, it is 6.6 kilometer, but I forget to mention that from the main road Ghoda Katora Lake is 6.6 kilometer away from the main road, and the whole road was beautiful because it was surrounded by green trees and lots of grasses, and the whole road was surrounded with dense forest. And because the weather was pleasant, so it was looking beautiful. There was this another kind of peace because when you entered in that area, your network goes off, you cannot you cannot search anything, you cannot even talk to anyone, and there were very less people on the way. The road which was 6.6 kilometer, there were very less people. So this is one of the reason why it feels so soothing and it feels so much peace there. So overall Rajgir is a very beautiful place, and I think everyone should go at least once. It's a very beautiful place, and you will experience and you will explore new things. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. This was all about my yesterday's experience, and this was day 29 out of 30 days challenge. So thank you for supporting me. See you tomorrow in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. See you tomorrow in the next video. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.